This is going to be Bullwinkle. Hanging out in a camp canoe, hanging out with someone new, falling out of a camp canoe. Oh, P.U., what's that stuff on your shoe? Kiki waka, kiki waka, kiki waka, kiki waka, kiki waka, kiki waka. Zuri, don't even think about Zuri. We don't need to put an outboard motor on a camp canoe. No, Zuri! What was that splash? I think that splash was Emma and Luke. I think that splash was Emma and Luke flying overboard. I told you not to put an outboard motor on the camp canoe, Zuri. Emma, don't get any crazy ideas. No, Ravi, you're not rappelling up this rock face with an electronic rope pull. Kiki waka, kiki waka. Da 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 na 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 na. Good afternoon. This day, February the 10th, 2018. Right now it's sunny and 52 at Magic Kingdom in Kissimmee, Florida. It's 52 at Magic Kingdom in Kissimmee, Florida. But nonetheless, Michael Eisner makes sure that nobody's putting on jackets. Why? We do not put on jackets in Florida. It doesn't look when we put on jackets in Florida. Tinkerbell, don't be putting on jackets in Florida. Protesting from Tinkerbell. Oh, come on. It's like 52 this afternoon, Kissimmee. I want to put on a coat. No. You want to put on a coat, you do winter in South Carolina. You don't wear jackets in Florida. Da 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 na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 da 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 da. Da 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 na na. Good afternoon on NBC. Good afternoon. This afternoon, 3 o'clock on ABC television. The happy news is, on this year of our Lord, and on this day, March the 27th, 1956, it's a sunny day in Anaheim. It's sunny and it's 68 in Anaheim. 68 in Anaheim, California in March. It's called a cold snap. Deal with it. We'll just bring all orange juice to New York after we put strawberry juice on all the grapefruit and oranges. We'll bring packaged orange juice to New York and sell half gallons of orange juice for $1.10. There was a cold snap in Anaheim, California, so we had to have all half-gallon cartons of orange juice shipped to New York, where we could have the sheer joy of selling half-gallon cartons of orange juice, Tropicana orange juice, for $1.10. At this time, March 1956, Disneyland opens their doors. At Disneyland, we have an expo on the American future. Ooh, a breath of the American future. This is a Motorola electronic distance. Can communicate between here and a place 4 miles away. Electronic wireless. Wow. The future is now. Wow, a nice little whiff of the American future. P.U. That is not the American future. No, that was me stepping in cat. The American future is right here. This 1956 Westinghouse electronic word processor that only takes up half a kitchen table. Hoorah! Mickey Mouse and Tinkerbell and Donald Duck are impressed. Da 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 da. What we're going to do this first year, 1956, is we're going to set up this wacky tent village with some incredible stuff and call it Disneyland's World of Tomorrow. Welcome to Disneyland's World of Tomorrow, where we get to sample an automobile with electronic technician. Wow. A Motorola electronic wireless communication device. Wow. This idea of human beings making a trip from the Earth to Mars. Wow, you've got to be How much have you been drinking? Da 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 na 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 na. 1956, Disneyland's World of Tomorrow. When you eat a breakfast in the Howard Johnson's, and the cost of your breakfast is $3.50. Wow. Da 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 da. Just a yellow bird on my shoulder. It's just a blue bird on my shoulder. Just a blue bird on my shoulder. It's a fact. It's actual. Everything is hypothetical. Everything is satisfactual. Just a turquoise bird on my shoulder. It's just a blue bird on my shoulder, not just a turquoise bird. Just an aquamarine colored bird on my shoulder, just a blue bird on my shoulder. This Friday afternoon, check out Disneyland's new yet temporary in construction, Disneyland's World of Tomorrow. Carousel of Progress. We will get the present day dial ring 1949 American telephones, how typically swell, and future ideas. At the end of the Carousel of Progress, we have a look at 1986, 30 years in the future, where we have electronic word processing devices. Wow. And automobiles with electronic technician and wheel differential. That's right, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and Tinkerbell, and Peter Pan and Cinderella. It's from the wheels that slip to the wheels that grip. Hoorah for Disneyland and Disneyland's World of Tomorrow. Da 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 da. This whole telebroadcast by Los Angeles NBC was really swell. Da da na 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 na. Da 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 da.